One very good chapter. Without this, I don't think so any program will be there, which is known as control flows. We are going to control the flow. We are going to control the flow. Flow is nothing but the lines of code, what you have to run it, we are going to control it. In this lesson, we have here, these are the things what you need to explore it. What do you mean by control flows? You need to understand. These are the things what we have the control flows. If else statements, while, break, continue, for. These 5 things you need to explore. Next is, one more thing is input function. What is input function we need to learn? If else conditions. Then we need to go for some use cases on the if else statements we are going to learn here. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the while. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about the for loop. We are going to learn it. So in this lesson, we are going to concentrate only on input function and if else statements. We are going to concentrate. First, let us go and try to concentrate what is input function. You can see question how to accept input from users in runtime. If I want to accept input from users in runtime, we have to use the input function, we have to use it. Okay, then you can write whatever comments you want to write here, you can write it. Let us put into the practice. Now, I'm trying to go for, let us say, simply I'm writing here input first, and it is new to me, I'm writing here question mark, and I'm seeing the help document. What it is saying? Forward raw input to front end. Forward raw input to front end. And it also supports one prompt parameter, whatever info you want to prompt, you can pass it. Meaning I can go and I can say input of please enter a number. Please enter a number. Like this I written. Then if you written like that, if I written like that, please enter a number. If I am trying to execute this one, let us say run it. The moment I ran it, is it given the comment please enter a number or not? Whatever you write in this double quotes, that will be coming as a comment here. Here you can enter some number, let's say 10 you entered means the 10 will be, if you assign somewhere, you are going to get that one. But problem here is, did you notice there or not, I passed here 10 as what? Integer. But output we got as what? String. Input function output is always string. For example, I want to assign this value to the A I am trying to assign it. Then I want to run this one. If I pass, let us say 10 I am passing, enter, then I can see A is equal to, what is the value available? 10. What is the type of A? We are going to see it is a string. But did I pass the string or number? Number. But still it is taken as a string only. In order to control that one, what you can do is, we can write here, once you got the result, convert into the integer. So I am trying to write here int function on top of it. Then if I am trying to execute, then if I write here 10, then we will see the A value. What is the A value? We are observing it. Now we can see A value is equal to what? 10, integer value we got it. Type of A is equal to system is identifying as integer. Wow, beautiful. Now we learned input function is useful to accept input from the user. By default, the output is going to give as a string. If you want to convert into the integer, you can write on top of it, int we can write it. Okay? Yeah, thank you.